Hello friends. So today's video is about giving. So myself, Dr. Heman Patil, I'm an internationally certified abundance mindset coach, and I am on my mission to help 1 million people to achieve abundance mindset and live their dream life. So what do you mean by giving or giving back? So as I had these questions before that how to get more. And then I got answer from my spiritual teacher that when you start giving more, you get more. As he gives example of a sugarcane juice. So when we put sugarcane into the machine gets the first sweetness and not the person. And that's why when you start giving more, you get more of what you are giving for, right? And that's why in our program also, where we explain the different money sets, we explain you the give or the charity set also, where we ask people to put either 2 or 5 and then increase it to 10% of their net income for charities. And when you allocate this particular amount every month, that doesn't add only just in a money form, but that adds in an energy form also. And when you start practicing this slowly, your energy level also increases. And the more important part, whenever you are giving any form, whether it's a money, whether it's a time, whether it's an energy, you need to think in a this way that this is what God has allocated for them. I'm not the one who is giving them. It is what God has allocated them. And with this thinking and with the energy always add on every time whenever you're giving in, you get more out of this work. So it is about what impact you add in people's life, whether in terms of money, whether in terms of time, whether in terms of education, whether in terms of energy. So in the coming videos, we'll go more in depth. But till that time, I would give all of you a small exercise where you just need to calculate your net income every month and just try to sort out some particular amount of money, maybe 1% or 2%, and starts giving it to you feel comfortable. Suppose any food relief organization, or maybe any temple, or maybe any NGO who works for either poor or maybe old or maybe kids who are orphan, anywhere, wherever you feel comfortable, starts giving in. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding that, please be free to post your comments down. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Thank you.